I'm Jake with Heritage Law Group, and today I'm going to be discussing the options available for someone that is generally elderly and is reaching a point or has already reached a point where capacity is diminishing, the ability to sign legal documents and understand the impact of signing the legal documents is diminishing as well, and possibly it's gone beyond that level. So to be able to care for somebody who has diminishing capacity, generally with elderly population, it's Alzheimer's, dementia, possibly with strokes, is you need to have some legal documents. You need to have legal power to be able to handle their affairs for them. The legal documents that you need to have while they still have capacity and can sign and understand what they're signing is, number one, a durable power of attorney, which lets you handle the finances for your family member, for your loved one. And number two, a healthcare power of attorney or an advance directive. These two documents combined allow you to make decisions for your loved one that has diminished capacity or is developing diminished capacity whenever they can no longer make decisions for themselves. So if you need to check someone into a nursing home or write checks from a bank account, from a checking account to pay bills that you're not on, you haven't been added as a joint member or a joint owner on the checking account, these two documents allow you those powers. Now, if someone has gone beyond that level and they no longer have capacity to sign and you don't have these documents, then your only option is a conservatorship. And a conservatorship gives you the power that is granted by these two documents plus more. It basically removes all the right to make any kind of financial or healthcare decision from an individual. It requires a court proceeding. It requires a couple months, and it requires doctor's letters, attorneys to be involved, attorneys appointed to the person that you're trying to get a conservatorship over, who's called the ward. It's more involved, more time consuming, and more costly because you are removing rights from somebody. If someone still has capacity, part of your planning for that person should be to have these two documents. Go see an attorney and get these drafted. The amount of time to get these drafted and the cost to get these drafted is significantly less than a conservatorship would be. So thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to know more, you can schedule an initial consultation with us. I'm Jake Mason with Heritage Law Group.